Hey everybody, I've been having some inquiries from my YouTube channel that I've been putting out there, and a lot of people have been asking this question.
Hey, beautiful Jennifer. How much is this book you're reading from in the classes? I'm very curious. I'd love to get myself one.
So thank you for your inquiry, Leanne. I decided to share it with everybody. The script comes from my book, Yoga Nidra and the Ancient Secrets of Life. That's where I'm reading a lot of context from, a book that I wrote, and also it's got all the scripts in if you want to use them for Yoga Nidra. So it is on its way to you, Leanne, and I'll be sending that a little bit later. As a bonus, what I'm going to do also is send a copy of my other book, The Enlightened Super Souls. Watch out, these guys are coming to the series very, very soon, and you're going to be amazed at their self-confidence. So, Leanne, for you and your beautiful kids also, The Enlightened Super Souls. Enjoy. I'll take you with me as I go and courier to you. Sending love. Bye. Hey, Eloise and Leanne, your parcels are on the way. Come. Good morning. Very special deliveries, please.
Lovely, let's send them away.
Thank you. On its way to you, Leanne. With so much love. Thanks for your support. On its way to you, Eloise. So much love. Millions and tons of Yoga Nidra audios.